Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF #countertop double cast iron burner, 1500 watts electric hot plate, temperature controls, power indicator lights, easy to clean, black. Easy to clean, 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety, dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips or home. Efficient power, with a combined wattage of 1500 W, dual hot plates and individual temperature controls, delicious meals can be cooked simultaneously. Thanks for watching and subscribe.